If you're trying to log into your region's online banking, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, and by the end of this video, you'll be successfully logged in. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos. So first of all, to log into your online banking, you'll need to search for Regions Online Banking Login. Once you search for this, you can see the first link or the first result from Regions Bank. You can just click on this result and it's going to take you to the login section. From here, first of all, you need to type in the username that you created while signing up. If you want this device to remember the username that you just entered, you can check this box. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on these links and then follow simple steps and fill in further details to successfully recover them. Once you type in your username, click on continue and it's going to show you a section of typing in the password. And similarly, it's also going to give you an option of resetting your password if you have forgotten the password. Once you type in the password, click on continue and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of Regions Bank. Do give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video to be helpful. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.